Hey everyone, and welcome! Ever felt that knot in your stomach when you have to speak English? Like your brain suddenly goes blank? I've been there. In this video, I'm sharing my journey from hesitant speaker to confident communicator. It's a story about practice, persistence, and finding my voice, literally. Get ready to listen, learn, and discover how you can unlock your own English-speaking confidence. The silent struggle. My biggest hurdle wasn't grammar or vocabulary. It was speaking. I knew the rules. I had the words. But when it came to actually talking to someone, I froze. I'd mumble, stumble, and avoid speaking English whenever possible. It felt like I was trapped in a silent world, even though I knew the language was inside me somewhere. The turning point, finding my voice. Then I realized something. Speaking is a skill, just like riding a bike or playing an instrument. And the only way to get better is to practice. I had to find my voice, even if it was shaky at first. It wasn't about perfection. It was about progress. My practice journey. My first step was finding a safe space to practice. I joined online language exchange groups. It was nerve-wracking at first, talking to strangers, but it was incredibly helpful. I also started recording myself speaking. It was painful to listen back at first, but it helped me identify areas where I could improve. I focused on clarity, pronunciation, and pacing. Then I started practicing speaking in everyday situations, even if it was just ordering coffee or asking for directions. It was like exposure therapy for my fear of speaking. And I made it fun. I started narrating my daily activities in English, even silly things like what I was cooking or what I was wearing. It was a way to practice speaking without any pressure. And the most important thing? I embraced mistakes. I realized that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. They're opportunities to learn and grow. The more I spoke, the more confident I became. Key strategies. Let's recap the audio strategies that helped me build my speaking confidence. Finding a safe space to practice. Recording myself speaking. Practicing in everyday situations. Narrating my daily life. And embracing mistakes. These are the core principles that will help you unlock your speaking potential. Practical exercises. Now, let's put these strategies into action. Here are some exercises you can try right now, even as you're listening. Try describing a picture in English, even if you're alone. Practice summarizing a podcast episode or a news article. Imagine you're giving a presentation on a topic you're passionate about. Record yourself and listen back. Identify areas where you can improve, and then practice again. Overcoming challenges. Building speaking confidence takes time and effort. You'll have moments of self-doubt, you might feel discouraged, but remember, everyone goes through this. The key is to be consistent, be patient, and celebrate every small victory. Don't be afraid to sound silly or make mistakes. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Motivation and mindset. Your mindset is crucial. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress. Remember why you want to improve your English speaking. What opportunities will it open up for you? Hold on to those dreams and let them fuel your practice. Every word you speak is a step forward. So, that's my audio journey to speaking confidence. Now, it's your turn. Start practicing. Start speaking. Find your voice. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave. Thanks for listening, and happy speaking.